like a parrot that waited in vain for the silk cotton pod. Every day, our bright friend fluttered to the tallest branch, hope sparkling in his eyes. He believed that the green pod nestled among the leaves would someday ripen into fruit.
Hello, tree. Fruit ready for me today?
So, day after day, the parrot would check. But always the pod stayed green, never changing, never sweet.
Still green. Maybe tomorrow.
Days became weeks, and the waiting grew weary. One day, an elder parrot landed nearby, watching the young one's hopeful routine.
Don't trust color alone. Try your senses, young one.
Encouraged, our parrot pecked at the pod. Suddenly,
Oh! It's cotton! Don't be fooled by looks. To find sweetness, look deeper. Be curious.
as the silk cotton burst, its fluff scattered to the winds. The parrot learned, sometimes looks deceive, and waiting may not bring the sweetness you expect. So remember, even when hope lingers and patience wears thin, wisdom comes to those who seek beyond what their eyes can see.
Subscribe for more videos!